Rocco! Rocco! Hey, Rocco! Rocco! Where are you? Rocco! What is this strange place? Rocco! 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 Oh, there you are, Rocco. Yeah, Mr. Cool. What is this strange place, man? They got giant groundhogs. It's freaking me out, man. Oh, this place is pretty cool. Me and Tina checked it out the other day and loved it. You should check them out. I don't know, man. It's kind of weird. But who am I kidding? I am weird. That's why they call me Dr. Cool. Well, we could go tour a little bit and once everybody gets here. Sounds good. Let's go get everybody. Hold on, I'm about to go. I was supposed to meet them here. I just saw Dr. Cool and Rocco. Where'd they go, man? Hello, man. Hello, Dr. Cool. Dr. Cool. Mr. Cool. Mr. Cool. Rocco. Rocco. Yo, Rocco. Rocco. Man, I missed him again.
Rocco! Where are you, Rocco? Rocco! Rocco!
Grandpa Ron, what you doing?
Oh, Dr. Cool! I'm looking for Rocco. Have you seen him?
No, and I'm Dr. Funky.
That's not cool! That is not cool! Where is Dr. Cool?
They were over at the bandstand. They said to meet him over here.
That's an Indian?
Yes, this thingy.
Well, that's where I thought it was supposed to be Rocco.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I see him coming.
Rocco! Hey!
Rocco!
Rocco!
Rocco! Rocco!
I thought he'd be here. I really thought Rocco would be here. Hey!
Hi!
Rocco! Rocco!
Papa!
Rocco, what you doing?
I'm here with you guys. What's up?
We've been looking all over for you, Rocco.
Just a second. I need to get something. I'll be right back.
What? What? Always leaving. Always leaving.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh! Hey, Rocco, what'd you go get?
I had to go find Tina. She got stuck in a tree.
Oh, Tina, she's always getting stuck up in trees.
She went and threw some donuts.
Oh my, I would climb a tree for a donut.
You know, she's such a foodie.
I know, I'm the same way. I love donuts, man.
Well, let's go up to this place called Goblers Knob.
Gobbler's Knob?
Goblers Knob.
Oh, just Gobbler's Knob.
Gobbler's Knob.
Gob? I love eating gob.
Not knob, like a doorknob.
Why are we going to look at a doorknob?
It's not. It's supposed to be this stump where the groundhog here.
So
comes out.
why isn't it not called Gobbler's Stump?
I have no idea.
Well, I'm stumped. Let's go look
Let's go.
at Gobbler's Stump.
Let's go.
Stump, all right. Rocco, is this that stump?
Yes, this is Goblers Knob.
Yep. I still don't see no doorknob.
Well, this is the stump.
So I'm still wanting it to be Gobbler's Stump. Gobbler's Stump.
It's Goblers Knob.
Oh.
What's the sign say back there?
That sign?
Yes, the big one.
Barber's Bob.
Goblers Knob.
You know I can't read without my reading glasses, son.
Oh, sorry, Grandpa.
I can't believe this is not Gobbler's Stump. You need to look at this stump. We're on a stump.
Yeah, it's just a big stump, and Phil is inside.
I am actually rather disappointed.
Well, he's actually inside. This is where he is every February 2nd.
This point cake.
Oh, sorry.
I want to see a doorknob. I'm gonna go look for that Gobbler's doorknob, and you can stand on this Gobbler's stump.
Bye.
I'm gonna look for that doorknob. I'll see you later, Rocco.
Tina! Tina!
Look back. Thing of doorknob.
Tina! Tina, are you okay after your little episode in the tree? You said something about donuts.
Oh yes, I remember now. It all started when I saw a flying donut.
A flying donut?
Yeah, it looked quite delicious.
There's no such thing, Tina.
Well, I saw it. Can you explain then what it might be?
A bug.
No.
It's a bug.
No.
Hey, look where we're at, though.
Is this the...
Yes, the stump of Phil. The big stump of Phil. Well, we better go on a trail and find everybody else. Let's go. No.
Where'd Rocco go?
He went to find Grandpa.
Whoa, whoa. What?
He went to find Grandpa, and you need to come up here.
Is that better?
Uh-huh.
Hey, you hear that noise?
What noise?
That! Wait, what? It's a bird. No,
It's a plane.
It's
Grandpa.
Oh no, look over there. Is he okay?
I don't know.
Let's go check on
Go
him.
find Rocco.
Oh, what a crash.
Grandpa, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I was walking through the woods looking for this doorknob and I found a plane. So I figured I could drive this plane and I could look for that doorknob faster.
Tina, he's over here. He's okay.
Yeah, Tina, how did you learn to fly?
Duh!
She's
All
a-
birds fly.
Well, you could have told me that sooner because I don't fly very well. I just found that out.
Well, you're not a bird.
Well, you're right. I should have figured that, but I thought I could fly, and then I realized once I was in the air, I have no idea what I'm doing. So, I decided to gently crash the plane.
Well, that wasn't good, Grandpa.
Well,
That wasn't cool, man.
I don't know. I just realized I just don't know how to fly a plane. That's all, okay? I said it. I don't know how to fly a plane.
Silly, you should have just asked me. I can help you.
Will you?
You know the price tag on this, don't you, Grandpa?
Free.
No.
Free.
No.
Free.
No.
Free.
$6 million. Grandpa? Grandpa?
$6 million! Tina,
Yes, Grandpa?
you can afford that, right?
No.
But you're lucky this plane was scrap. So I think you're good.
Oh, maybe that's why I crashed. If I find a new plane, I'm sure I could fly it. That's it.
No!
Yes, I'm gonna go find a
No.
new plane to look for my doorknob.
No, you're not flying nothing.
Yet I will. I'll fly, and I will fly well.
No.
Tina will fly you.
Tina, fly me to the plane so I can fly to a doorknob.
No, Grandpa. Just stick with me.
All right, I'll stick with you.
Let's go find the others.
Let's go find the others, and then we find that doorknob.
No doorknob.
Let's go!
Oh, you wanted to go?
Oh yeah, let's get going. Nice. Oh, look, feel that AC.
Oh, that feels so good. That lovely walking.
I have no idea what you're saying. Let's go.
Let's go. Bye.
Bye.